In this video, I'm about to show you how to get the second Scotiabank credit card. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Scotiabank. Then, click on the first link that appears to go to the official Scotiabank website. Now, scroll down the page and you'll see an option to select your country. Choose your country like USA if you're outside Canada. Next, in the search bar, type credit card to find the credit card option. If you don't see it right away, click on Personal and select the credit cards from the list. Now, scroll down to view the available Scotiabank credit cards and decide which one you'd like to apply for. Then, click Apply Now next to your chosen card. At this point, you'll be asked if you currently have any Scotiabank products. Select Yes if you do, or No if you don't. From here, you can continue with the application steps to get your second Scotiabank credit card. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.